Hi everybody, welcome back to Pap's Train Show. Today we got up early and we're headed to a train show. Lakota West Train Show, Westchester, Ohio. Well everybody, we've made it to the show. We'll try to get some video of the inside maybe. We probably won't be able to get too much. There should be a lot of stuff here, it's pretty good size. So let's go in and see what we can get.
Entertainment Junction's booth is. Yeah. And so he was heading down towards
Was that a tornado?
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, you're good. I'm just.
Alright everybody, we made it back from the train show today. Did find a couple things. Pretty good prices. Didn't score a whole lot. There's not much I really want. So I just found some locomotives, train car, and something else. So let's take a look. Alright, here's what we got from the train show today. We got two of the Athearn powered F units with the brass flywheel locomotives. Really nice. Katy couplers on both of them. Both powered, heavy. Hopefully they run. If not, it probably won't take much to make them run. And then an Athearn SD9, Burlington Northern. It's got all the railings and details inside there. Picked that up today. Found some Katy couplers. Finally. I didn't have to order any. And the price there on the Katys wasn't bad, but she only had one pack. And then we got this, the Union Pacific GP. Not sure what it is, what the maker is, but it's powered. For the price, take a chance. A nice Walters, or not Walters, but Athearn Union Pacific caboose. And all the stuff fell off of it. But I dug it all out of the bag. It might be the railing to it. Not sure. Then we got a GSB Rail Limited SD40-2. Really nice looking locomotive. Katys on it. Supposed to be powered, but we'll see if it runs. And then A Walters Auto-Rack, Union Pacific Auto-Rack. I've been wanting to get a bunch of these, or get some of these. So I finally broke down and bought one. They're not that cheap for rail cars, but they're nice. So we'll pick up one every once in a while. And then this Faller roller coaster kit model, or whatever you want to call it. Brand new, sealed in the box. Wouldn't have bought it, but it was dirt cheap, considering what they go for. So I ain't decided where we're going to put it or what we're going to do with it. But I couldn't pass on it. So now we'll see if any of these things run. We'll go over and turn the layout on and put some of these on and see what happens. Alright, we'll start with one of these F units. See what we got. Here we go. Well, look at that. That one runs pretty good. Let's run it all the way around here. Probably needs some little bit of oil grease, cleaning maybe. Probably been running forever. It's light. Yeah. Well, that one runs. That's good. So we'll do a little service to it. One thing I've noticed about these Athearn F units, every time I get one, it never has the windshields or anything in it. So we'll have to make windshields for it. But other than that, it's awesome. Now we'll try F unit number 2. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. That one's going to need a little oil too, probably. Oh, yeah. So, heck yeah. See, that one's missing the glass out of it too. The windshields and stuff. I don't understand that. Every time I get an F unit, an Athearn F unit never has that in there. Have to make them. But they run good. Let's try a different locomotive. Alright, we'll try the SD9. This is one of my favorites, I think. I just like how they look. I think I got it on there. Uh-oh. Oh man, got a runner. We'll need some oil. I'd say by the looks of that one, ain't never been out of the box to run on a layout. But I think this one's going to get a repaint. Not sure to what. Better look at it. Looks good though. Burlington Northern. I don't have no Burlington Northern. Maybe I'll keep it that color. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, well, this little Union Pacific Jeep. See what it does. A little light over on it, a little better maybe. Alright, fire it up. Wow, it hummed. It's trying. Hummer. Signs of life, but it ain't running. Sounds like one of the old Lionel trains. So, I'm going to say this one's going to need some cleaning. But for 10 bucks, can't beat it. Probably just needs taken apart, clean, some oil. Good looking little train, locomotive. I'm not sure what brand it is. But looks like an Athearn shell. Looks just like an Athearn shell. So I'm not sure. Maybe once I take it apart I'll see a name inside. But the shell looks exactly like an Athearn one. Except for it's got the black vents up here. I don't know, I would say by the looks of it, it's an Athearn, but the underneath, no. So let's try another one. Alright, we got the GSB SD 40-2. I don't know, never had one of these. It's like a really nice locomotive though. I love the SD40s. Uh-oh, something's wondering. Oh, look at that. It's definitely going to need some oil. And almost like a crappy gear in there or something. It's going. Yeah, a gear or something in there. Does good forwards, seems like a little better. Let's say we'll take that one apart, service it, see what's all going on there. Well, I can't see anything broken, but it's hard telling. That's a good looking locomotive. Good looking locomotive. Well, everybody, there's what we got today at the Lakota West Train Show. I know I've been on a hiatus for I ain't made a video in almost a month now. I've been so busy between work, and I've been kind of making parts of videos for like the Union Pacific 49er that I've been building. Got that one coming along. I got another one that I'm getting ready to paint. An Indiana, Ohio locomotive, and worked on it. And then just little things. So I did a video on the Lakota West Train Show today. Not much to video. I mean, I took there's a couple videos of kind of give you all an idea how big the show is. It's at the high school. It's a big high school in the city. So there's, when you first walk in, a big hallway with some hallways off to the sides, all cellars. Then there's a room off to the side of that that's cellars. And then you got most of the layouts down there in the lower section, like a gymnasium type area with bleachers and stuff. Might be a place where they do like musicals or something, I'm not sure. And then back upstairs, another big room that's all cellars. Then a room off the side of that is full layouts in there. I mean, it's just, there's well over 200 tables, easy. They sold out this year, from what I understand, for cellars, to where they couldn't have any more cellars in there because it was full. And there's a lot of stuff, from cheaper stuff to, you know, cheaper brands to your high-end stuff. A lot of nice stuff. Proto, Walthers, you name it, it's about there, just about anything. And a lot of O-scale Lionel, old stuff, new stuff. There's a lot of that there. Then you got some S-scales, and then there's N-scale there. But the majority of it's HO and Lionel. Lionel O-scale. And then there's just a couple of people that sell like books and stuff like that, and t-shirts and stuff like that. But it's a huge show. Really good one. Found a few good deals. There's 2F units. I don't have any of those, so I was kind of happy to find those for cheap. And then I'll have a set of those. It's really nice. The GSB SD40-2. I don't know nothing about them. Don't think I've ever even seen one. But it was cheap. Figured we'd give it a try. And it did run. But it sounds like a gear or something in it, maybe. I don't know until I tear it apart. The roller coaster. Really don't have room for one on my layout. But for the price I gave for it, we might just be able to make room, or we'll do something with it. I just couldn't pass that one up. So, but let's see, I'm also still working on that Union Pacific 49er. Been doing videos of it as it's coming along. So hopefully I'll have that finished up here in the next week or two. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.